people. All right, people. It is not a good day. Nope. Because look what's happened. Yes. I have crashed again.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Wales has another bloody victim. God damn you, Wales. Let's just have a quick walk around and just see what kind of state it's in. Because this is all going through insurance, I cannot touch it. I have basically left it with all the mud and shit all on it. You cannot touch it here in the UK. Once it's been put through a claim, it is legally their bike. So this is it, mate. So let's go through this shit. Right, let's start from the front. Tyre has just got a load of shit on it. It don't look too bad from here, I don't think. Can't tell the wheel. It doesn't look like there's any marks or anything on it. Can't tell if the forks are bent or anything. Rad guard has come off. Loads of shit down the bottom. I haven't checked underneath yet, but yeah, that's marked. This looks like it. This side looks all right. This front beak is shagged, and the headlight is shagged. But at least you get to see all the plugs and the wires in here. Fair bit shafted in here, and look, the dash is gone. There is no dash. This mirror has gone, disappeared. This is all bent. As you can see, look, it's down here. This is supposed to be up there. Something, the hell front thing has broken off. Here is the front thing. Look, all completely nailed, taken off, and that's what you get behind it. And this is what's left of my dash. Your little tiny little LCD. So obviously that big plug goes in there. But yeah, look, but magically the brake lines, oh well, they're a bit loose there, but magically the brake line survived. On this side, scratched marked up. Don't know where the rest of that mirror's gone. Big hole in the reservoir. I think it's just literally snapped off from there. Can't tell if this is bent or anything, but the bars are bent. That is the wheel in a straight line. Like at an angle like that, so yeah, that's not really good. Right, let's start down this side. The left side, the clutch side, doesn't, oh look, it's a fucking scuff on the engine casing. But, I mean, that looks okay. I mean, these all fold up. There's a little mark on this, but not too bad. Yeah, it looks all scratched up here, but that's the oil stuff, so. It hasn't leaked anything, which is good. Doesn't look like it. This panel, strangely, looks fine. This exhaust side, I think, looks alright. Chain guard off. Back tyre wheel is just got loads of shit all over it. This exhaust side is alright, but yeah, look, that is smashed up completely. I think this exhaust, look, is moved over, so look, that bracket is completely bent. It's a nice big dent in the end can. The seat is all scuffed up. Set of marks and scuffs there. I don't know whether that's a little mark or a scratch. There is brake fluid everywhere. This reservoir went everywhere. I've tried to clean as much as I could without doing anything else. Look, there's still all on the forks and shit. Oh fuck, look. These are all scratched up. I haven't started it or anything. Actually, I can't, so I don't even think they've got a big full tank of fuel and stuff, but yeah, mate, fucking sad news. Sad news. Game over. Game over.